International Youth Football Academy CEO, Mr. Riaz Ali, Mobile Oil CEO, Vodafone Fiji Chief Marketing Officer, young and aspiring tournament participants, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen, Bulavanaka, and a very good morning to all of you, especially to the kids. Morning. I'm actually extremely delighted to be here this morning with all of you in Pacific Harbour to be a part of the IYFA Champions League tournament. But I want to say this at the outset, I'm very saddened. I'm saddened that our major football organization is not here, Fiji Football. And I think it's a grave disrespect to these young kids. And Fiji Football should be here. And I'm sure that I will go back to my office and make sure I make a couple of phone calls and speak about as to why they're not here. Because this is the next generation of footballers that we actually produce in this country. So ladies and gentlemen, I apologize to start off on a sad note, but from a government perspective, I think that's very sad that Fiji football is not here. As a sport-loving nation also, ladies and gentlemen, sport plays a meaningful role in the lives of all Fijians, and it brings us together. It actually is undeterred by our diverse backgrounds, wherever we're from, and it builds our sense of freedom and our pride in being Fijian. And this is one of the other reasons why I said what I just said about Fiji football not being here. It's a participation of every single citizen in this country. Parents are here, kids are here. Our major organizations need to be a part of and be present in these particular things, especially with our kids. Through the IYFA Champions League tournament, ladies and gentlemen, the friends and families have actually come together to enjoy each other's company. It's a great way to spend a Saturday. And at the same time reflect on IYFA's objective, which is to create a community for young and actually aspiring footballers with a commitment to excellence. I'm sorry we had to bring a Chelsea supporter here, but that's all right. I must thank the organizers and the sponsors for this great initiative. Thank you, Vodafone. Thank you, Mobile, for always supporting our children. And also, it's not only provides you the opportunity to actually enjoy much of each other's company and be in good spirits, but it's also good to engage in some sort of physical engagement, considering we've been locked up for 2 years, especially with the children. I've always been a massive football fan, played a lot of football also, and a great way of making a common cause. It attracts players and fans from all different backgrounds, from all around the world. It's one of our major national sports, and as we are gathered here today, there's another massive tournament going on in the West, which I'm sure you'll all enjoy. And I myself, as I said, big soccer enthusiast. In my much younger days, I enjoyed a lot of time playing football here and overseas. Sporting talent, ladies and gentlemen, is something that every Fijian and every aspiring sporting youngster actually respects. And whether you win or lose, it's your actual participation that is to the best of your ability, that actually commands respect. And if you can impart good sportsmanship and fair play in even one Fijian child, you too are a winner and you're doing our nation proud. From the Fijian government's perspective, ladies and gentlemen, we're all Fijians. And under our constitution, you know, we are all equally allowed to participate in everything at the end of the day. And we will ensure that sport is open to any child with an interest in the game, and no matter what their background or where they are from. This is why I express my disappointment at Fiji football not actually being here. Future we want to grow for our children is of equality. And we want them to grow up in a country that respects and cherishes our different cultures and traditions, but at the same time takes pride in a common national identity. If an association like that can't support that, then there's something wrong. As a young country, we need to prepare also our young athletes for their sporting future, and I want to thank Riaz, and I also want to thank Mariah for establishing IYFA in 2016. And this is doing great stuff for all our young children in the country, especially with respect to football, and providing the best standard of training alongside the programs to ensure our children are provided top-tier training and development with respect to their football skills. Not a day for long speeches. I know the kids want to get on the field. I would. And my favorite part of the game is being given the opportunity to play. So with those few words, ladies and gentlemen, let me just declare the IYFA Champions League tournament open, and I wish you all well. Good luck to you all, kids.